Model 2017 Ford Transit Custom 290 Trend runs well. Spares or repairs needs a clutch. Body silver, panel van. Mileage 208,811. Engine 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 psa. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts great. Runs great. The clutch slave has popped and this van will need a clutch kit. Nice easy in and out job. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 2 former keepers, parking sensors, cruise Contron, electric windows. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.